DAC Worldwide's Advanced Bearing Maintenance Trainer is a realistic, heavy-duty learning aid that allows for convenient and consistent training in the identification, installation, and removal of a variety of industrial-quality rolling element bearings. When paired with a variety of hands-on exercises, the training system creates a complete performance-based course in the maintenance of industrial bearings. The Advanced Bearing Maintenance Trainer contains 2 student workstations, with training available at both ends of the device. Packaged with a selection of large diameter spherical roller bearings, radial ball bearings, angular contact bearings, and cylindrical roller bearings, this learning system offers a complete training experience in fundamental industrial bearing maintenance. Learners will use these industrial-grade components to study topics such as types of roller element bearings, cold mounting and removal of radial ball bearings, installation of shaft seals, and more. Not only do the components provide durability to stand up to frequent use, but they also aid learners in becoming better prepared for the task they will encounter on the job. Contact your DAC representative today to find out more.